In today's video, I'll show you how to stream YouTube directly on your car's display. Before we get started, just a quick reminder to always drive safely and avoid distractions. We'll be using an app called CarTubePlus, which lets you watch YouTube and other streaming platforms on your car's screen. All you need to do is connect your device via Bluetooth or a wired CarPlay connection, and you're set. CarTubePlus is incredibly easy to set up, so stick around for the full step-by-step guide on how to start streaming YouTube in your car. First, let's adjust a few settings for the best experience. Go to your device's settings, open battery, and make sure low power mode is turned off to prevent any impact on the app's performance. Then, go back to the main settings menu, select General, and tap on Background App Refresh. Ensure that either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data is enabled so the app can smoothly refresh content in the background. With these checks complete, we're ready to move on. Next, open your browser and head to appbinge.com, a reliable source for modded apps. In the search bar, type in CarTubePlus and select it from the results. You'll be taken to a page with download stats and user reviews. Just hit the Download Now button to start the download and installation. The process should be quick, and you'll see a confirmation message once it's installed. If it doesn't appear, it could mean the server needs updating or additional files might be required. Don't worry, clear instructions will appear on the screen to guide you. After that, the necessary files will finish downloading, completing the installation. I've tried it myself, and it works perfectly. And that's it, the complete process to get CarTubePlus. Thanks for staying till the end. If you found this video helpful and everything worked smoothly, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. If you have questions or run into any issues, just drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks again and take care.